So if you do a lot of traveling like me, you're going to want something like this. This comes in from Septics, and this is a World Way travel adapter kit. This is like the best I've seen so far as a traveler of the world, and even having people come to visit me in different countries and they have different ports. This is the perfect thing for everyone. So you have, let's just start with the American plug. So you have your American plug here, and then, yeah, you could just use this as a regular splitter. Plus you have fast PD charging, so you can plug in your computer to that, or also USB-A. Also, it has this cord that you can use to undo, and you can plug this in as well. So if you have other devices and you forgot your USB-C cord, that works. So it comes with a bunch of different adapters for different countries. So when you do travel, you have Australia, New Zealand, like that side. You have like Europe, Great Britain ones, and it also includes this nice little bag that you can keep that all stored in. So you keep all of the pieces together. You don't have to worry about losing them. That's a really nice touch. You have all of these ports. It clearly tells you what they are here. So in the instructions, you know what you're getting and which countries. And I think you're covered. Wow, that's a lot of countries. All you have to do is push this back right here, and then it loosens it up. Take that one out, and then you can put the next one in just like that, and you are good to go. What a genius invention. This is going to be so helpful for me when I do my travels from different countries. I love this thing so much. It's great. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.